Is your car feeling sluggish? Check engine light, glowing like a Christmas tree. The culprit might be hiding right under your car. Today, we're diving deep into the world of oxygen sensors. Those little gizmos that tell your engine how much oxygen is in your exhaust. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to test your oxygen sensor, diagnose potential problems, and save yourself a trip to the mechanic. No fancy tools required, just 5 basic gear and a little know-how. Let's get started. What is an oxygen sensor? Before we get our hands dirty, let's talk about what this little guy actually does. Your oxygen sensor, also known as an O2 sensor, lives in your exhaust pipe. This information is sent to your car's computer, which then adjusts the air-fuel mixture for optimal performance and emissions. A faulty oxygen sensor can lead to all sorts of problems, like decreased fuel efficiency, rough idling, even damage to your catalytic converter. Number 1. Locate the sensor. Consult your repair manual to find the oxygen sensor. It's usually located in the exhaust pipe, before the catalytic converter. Number 2. Warm up the engine. Let your engine run for about 15–20 minutes to get it to operating temperature. This ensures accurate readings. Number 3. Connect the multimeter. Red lead. Connect to the signal wire of the oxygen sensor. Your repair manual will help you identify the correct wire. Black lead. Connect to a good ground on the vehicle chassis. Number 4. Observe the readings. Healthy sensor. The voltage should fluctuate rapidly between 0.1 and 0.9 volts. Sluggish sensor. The voltage changes slowly or stays at a constant value. Dead sensor. The voltage reading remains at 0 volts or shows no fluctuation. Number 5. Optional tests. Rich or lean test. Introduce a small vacuum leak or briefly restrict airflow to see if the sensor responds accordingly. Heater circuit test. Check the resistance of the heater circuit using the multimeter's ohmmeter setting. Ultimately, the goal is to create a video that is informative, engaging, and easy to follow. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pacing and editing styles to find what works best for you and your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.